Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe and share with your friends. In today's video, I'm going to be taking Temu quick detach blade tech and I'm going to attach it to the belt attachment system from that I have for my what is this? Dang it, what the hell are these called? These are Blackhawk. The Blackhawk belt attachment. So I've already put the little eyelets in, or the female screws on here, and they kind of press in. So I don't know that I'm going to need... We'll see how it works. So the screw placement seems to be all right. I'm going to test fit it before I Loctite anything. I don't think the screws reach unless you push them in there further. I don't think I'm getting a good bite. Nope. Just wanting to strip them. There we go. Alright, so what I did there was I just pushed it in so that the screw would actually reach. There, now everything's right in the world again. Alright, so that should just attach to the belt like that, and I should be able to get in here now. So in my other video I had some trouble. This is the legit blade tech. I had some trouble putting it in and out, but now that I have something to hold on to, I want to try again. So it does snap in. Let's see, push this, I should be able to get some. So I have to push them both down. That's a difference. On the actual blade tech, you can push down one, and you have it has enough force to, from pushing down one of these little paddles to do the maneuvering. On Temu version, it does not. So that was one of the things I liked about the blade tech version, is I should be able to do some manipulating one-handed. That's one of the things I did not like about the Blackhawk version of their quick release, is I needed 2 hands to remove it from the holster, remove the holster from whatever the quick attach is attached to. So will this work? Yes. Is it ideal? No. So you do get a vertical. Yeah, you can get a vertical. So I don't know. It appears fairly robust, but the Blackhawk has much better quality control. Once you have something that you can hold on to, you can get it in there. Ooh, what's this? Alright, secondary lock did engage. Yes. It's not as... This is much stiffer. The tolerances are not as tight as they are on the Blade Tech one, the legit Blade Tech. There's like grit in the buttons. Does not work as well, I would say. I mean, it's okay, but it's definitely not the real deal. That's why I got this one in peanut butter, so I can tell the difference. Although, the more I use it, there are things that give it away. So, these suckers have eyelets, so you could screw through them if you had to, which you have to if you're attaching this to a Safariland holster. These have screws. Oh, I covered them up, but they're Temu ones cut corners on quality. There's a bunch of rough burrs and stuff on this. So anyway, I've attached the Temu version here. I will try it out on the belt. I'm going to try out a bunch of different configurations. I still do like the drop leg. I know some of you don't like it, and I have talked to some of my like police and military friends on what their opinions are on the drop leg, and I'll go over that in another video. Hope this helped.